Many ITX PCs that focus on performance tend to get expensive, but that's largely because components designed for a smaller form factor are more expensive. Fortunately, the affordable 7600X allowed me to save a bit of money on this rig without sacrificing too much performance. In the end, I managed to put together a very well-balanced rig that provides incredible gaming performance. Surprisingly, the 7600X is an excellent choice for a mini ITX system, but not just because of its cheap price. The main benefit of this processor is its super efficiency, which I will always continue to appreciate over current Intel CPUs. It's easy to cool as well, which is important for a small PC such as this one. For the motherboard, I decided to go all out with the Asus ROG STRIX B650E ITX gaming Wi-Fi. It's expensive, but I went with this motherboard as it doesn't sacrifice anything in terms of features or performance. The design is phenomenal, with plenty of ROG STRIX branding on the rear panel cover and the M2 shields. It even features two PCIe Gen 4 M2 slots, which is on par with a lot of micro ATX boards. Best of all, it features a powerful 10+ 2-phase VRM configuration that's highly capable of handling almost any AM5 CPU. Needless to say, the 7600X won't be a problem here. The VRM heatsinks are thick and well built, so thermals won't be an issue either. Seeing how many mini ITX boards usually don't have the best power delivery system, this is refreshing. As for connectivity, it features USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C ports and 7 additional USB ports. You also get Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2. It has all the features you need despite the small form factor, which is why it's a bit expensive. Additionally, it's a motherboard that'll be able to handle huge upgrades with ease too. For the RAM, I went with the TEAMGROUP T-Create Expert 32GB kit. It's a DDR6000 CL30 kit that provides more than enough performance for the 7600X. It lacks any RGB, but that's exactly why it's a bit cheaper than other modules out there. For a mini ITX PC, staying subtle is important, so this is a great fit for the overall theme. As for the storage, I decided to go with the Western Digital SN770 2TB drive. This one is a bit cheaper than Western Digital's SN850X, but it doesn't sacrifice much performance for gaming. It's fast, stays cool, and keeps load times low. The reason that it's cheaper than the SN850X is because of the lack of DRAM. However, the host memory buffer works well here for gaming, and it's a fair trade-off for the missing DRAM cache. For the graphics card, I decided to go all out. The RTX 4070 Super is a great choice here, primarily because it's more efficient and faster than some of the equivalent AMD cards for this price. For around $600, you get 12GB of VRAM, great ray tracing and rasterization performance, support for features like DLSS 3.5, and access to the NVENC encoder. But the main reason I chose this video card is because of the 220-watt TDP. During gaming, it won't draw too much power, which is something I appreciate considering the mini ITX constraints. Performance-wise, it's more than powerful enough for 1440p gaming, and you can even enjoy ray tracing in all its glory. Choosing the right variant was highly important here, as we need something relatively low profile. The Zotac Twin Edge 4070 Super fits the bill perfectly, as it has a robust dual-fan cooling system that isn't gigantic. It fits into the case with ease and doesn't sacrifice low temperatures. For power, I chose the Cooler Master V SFX Gold 850W PSU, an ideal match for a mini ITX setup. Its fully modular design and 80+ gold rating keep everything efficient, and a minimal coil whine ensures quiet operation. With 850 watts, you'll have headroom for future upgrades, even with high-power GPUs. Wrapping up this compact powerhouse, the Cooler Master NR200 is the perfect case choice. It's user-friendly with magnetic dust filters, Velcro cable straps, and tool-free HDD mounting. The case also has mesh cutouts on the side panels for improved airflow, 2 120mm sickle flow fans included, and a PCIe 3.0 riser cable. Its sleek design and versatile build options make the NR200 a fantastic choice for a well-rounded small form factor build. With all of these components working perfectly with each other, we have quite the powerful ITX rig for around $1,600. It's an expensive machine, but one that will dominate any game at 1440p with ease. There's also plenty of room for upgrades thanks to the motherboard, case, and power supply choices. Thanks for watching. I hope my suggestions have inspired you to create your own Ryzen 5 7600X build. Remember, you can check the prices for each component mentioned in the description below. And if you're interested in more PC building suggestions and hardware reviews, be sure to check out more of my videos. Before you go, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to stay updated, and let me know your opinion and suggestions in the comments. See you in the next one.